Alright, man. This is bad. What was the other times you were pulled over? Just
Yesterday.
You pulled over yesterday?
For speeding.
In Allentown, or are you still living in Bethlehem?
Yeah.
Okay. You ever been locked up for anything?
No.
Or you got nothing in the car?
No. What is this coming from, sir?
I was just asking.
Wait, and then why did you call for backup?
That's just how we do it.
And then my car, I called my father. He told me to let you know my car came from the factory with the tints. He owns a mechanic shop and they're legal. So I was pulled over. I don't know why if my tints are legal.
Did you take a window? I didn't say anything about giving a ticket or anything.
Oh, so then what am I getting pulled over for?
What's that?
What am I getting pulled over for, sir?
I told you, leave 10.
Oh, so can I go?
Lose your license.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll be mailing you a citation.
A citation for what?
Leave 10. Yeah, I think right.
What's that?
Hmm?
Is that a ticket?
Yeah.
That is? Man.
He's not giving you a ticket. You get a regular.
Then what's the citation?
It's a ticket. But if he was giving you a ticket, he would have gave you right here.